Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to do individual crochet faux locs. So first of all, I'm going to start on washed and conditioned hair. And I'm going to be using Cantu Living conditioner, my TSN oil mix, and a crochet hook and a comb. Every product that I use in this video will be listed in the description box. Then I'm gonna start right away my individual braids, which I'm gonna add my Cantu Living conditioner and my oil mix to make sure that my hair are always moisturized. When you braid your hair, you want the braids to be thin, but not too thin so they can get into the locks. Once all the braids are done, you want to add a little bit of oil just to moisturize a bit more your hair because this is a protective hairstyle. This hair is actually from Yebo Hair, and I'm actually gonna put every link that you need to purchase the hair on Amazon in the description box, and also I'm gonna put the Instagram in the description box. Then we're simply gonna start the crochet faux locs. So you'll want to put the hook through the roots of the braid. Then you want to pull the faux locs through, and then you're gonna put the hook inside of the little hole in the faux locs and pull the braid and the faux locs through this hole, and make sure that you tight and pull the faux locs and the braid so that it makes a knot and that your faux locs is actually attached to your braid. Once you're done that, you're just gonna try to unravel the faux locs and see on which side the faux loc is actually twisting. So you're just gonna untwist to the opposite side, and you're gonna roll the faux locs around your braid on the side that the faux locs actually twist. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you a couple more times so you can actually get it and have more example. Once you've done all of your faux locks, you want to add some jewelry maybe or something, or accessories to your hair. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you really enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.